Welcome back to the Electrician's Tool Channel. On the bench today, we're going to do a review on the AMPROBE AC/DC current transducer, model number CT600. I don't quite know the exact year when this was made available to the market, but I do know it. I think it was around, I can kind of guess, I think it was around 2010, 2011. This, and to the right is the AMPROBE AM71. This AMPROBE, I did a review on this AMPROBE once before, so you may want to go check that out if you choose to. Both of them are real nice testers. I have not yet used the AMPROBE current transducer as of yet, but the AMPROBE, the multimeter, I have. It's a very accurate, nice multimeter. And if you look at the multimeter, you can tell, you can almost guess who's the maker of this multimeter. I think this is the one made by Bryman, I believe. By Bryman, yes. And but it's a highly accurate multimeter. I've used it before, and I have no complaints about it whatsoever, except one. It doesn't have a backlight. But anyway, well, we'll get to that in a moment. Let me finish talking about the transducer. I have not used it yet. I just saw it, and I've had it for a little while now, and I wanted to just give it do a review on it. Some of you may have one like this or use one like this. If you have, leave a comment. Leave what you think about it in the comments. But it is a nice transducer. It's very nice. It has an adjustable. Let me get it. It has a little adjustable dial on the side. It's right here. It's for sensitivity. And it's, like I said, AC/DC. It takes one 9-volt battery to power it up. And they also have a low battery indicator that's located right here in the red. And it have like a coil tight spongy cord on it. That's really nice also. But let me just put this also. Now, this, like I said, I haven't used it just yet, but when I do use it, I will give a review on it. I have so many things that I have to, so many videos that I have to make, so many test instruments and tools that I have to make videos on. Man, I tell you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. That way you won't miss a thing. Also, it supports the channel. If you want to help support the channel, guys, it's for free. I greatly would appreciate it. Only thing you have to do is subscribe to the channel. You can hit that like button, comment if you choose, or question if you choose. I do answer back. Thank all of you guys who've been with me for a long time. And those of you who's just joining, I hope that this video or one of my other videos convince you to help help you subscribe to the channel, want to subscribe to the channel. Now, anyway, as I was saying about this, like this multimeter here, if you look at it, it do have a meter. It do have a place for the meters in the back. I mean, your test probes in the back. Okay, and it takes. I think this is that's right. It takes a 9-volt battery to plug to power it up, power this meter up. But that's my only gripe about the meter, is that it just doesn't have a backlight at all. The power just went off, so I'm gonna turn it back on in a minute. It doesn't have a backlight at all. But let's look at some of the features, and then we'll move over to the adapter. So let me just zoom on in. If this is your first time and you didn't get a chance to see this damn probe, AM71. That's the jack inputs. It has dual display. It also have data logging if you choose to. I don't have any of the software, but this is the features around the dial. Okay, volts AC, volts DC, millivolts AC and DC, and it has an adapter. That's what I have it plugged in right now. The adapter for this this current clamp transducer. Like I said before, I never used it with this yet, so but I'm assuming that's what it's for. I looked at some of the directions, and that's what it's for. Okay, and you have a Hertz button. And what I was surprised to see, you have a giga ohm feature when you're doing resistance. So I tested that just to see So I put a 70 ohm resistor, and I tested it, and it went up. It measured it, no problem. So that's a feature that you don't hardly see with multimeters, giga ohms on it. And next to that, you have capacitance, you have diode, microamps, AC/DC, milliamps, AC/DC, amperage, AC/DC. Let's look at the soft keys. You have a 40,000 count. You can record 40,000 data recordings. Next to it, 4,000. The next to that one is the hold button and the range button. Below that is the select button. If you need any of the features below that is written in blue, you would hit that button to get to it. Next to that's a store button. That's when you want to hold and store your data logs. Next to that's record. The other one is I see the delta symbol, rail, percentage, and duty cycles, and so on. And this is like I said, very nice meter. So let's look at the current clamp close up also. So let me get over here. The little light, your little tell-all light right to let you know that the power is on. And float voltage. I wonder what they mean by float voltage. I never heard that term. Float voltage, I'm going to have to look it up. 30 volts max. What if they have something to do like a ghost voltage? Or I don't know. But power on, battery low indicator. And up above, you see where it said the selector switch, 100 amps AC/DC, and 600 amps AC/DC. Above that, the range is 100 amp, as you see. 10 millivolts, amps, or whatever. And the adjustable button, I just showed you that. And AC/DC, that's the name and the model. And there's the AMPROBE right here. Okay, now let me turn this back on, and I'm talking about this meter because I really like this meter, and we should be talking about this transducer. That's the thing that the video was about, but I really do like this meter. So let's just go with the let me see. I'm going to put see what happens when I want to put the 40. Okay, numbers changed. Okay, let's go to select the switch, see what happens. Okay, I see like an adapter, where I see adapter at the top up there. That's automatic power, okay. And you got the 4,000, you got the recall. Try that and see if there's anything up there that's noted that I noted. Okay, range. And of course the hold button. Man, I will show, if this meter would have had a backlight, this would have been a nice, very nice meter. Very nice meter. This meter reminds me of a Sears meter, a Craftsman meter that I have. It looks really nice, has all the buttons. In fact, it looks just like this, but it don't have a backlight. And I think that's made also by Bryman or APA. It's one of those companies that make these meters. But I'm thinking this is a Bryman. I really am. I'm thinking this is a Bryman. But anyway, I do like this meter, and I hope you guys like the video. It's not much yet, and but I do hope you guys like the video and like the tools. That's all that I show. So, and like I said before, this is a 9-volt battery up in here, and that's where you put it at right there in the back. And that's it, guys. Overall, very nice meter. Very nice meter. So, without any further ado, something else I want to do. It's not much more I can do. I don't have anything I can really show you how this amp clamp adapter works. I'm gonna have to stick it there. But anyway, guys, I want to thank you guys for subscribe to the channel, those of you who have, and I hope you new guys who are watching for the first time, I hope you do the same. Guys, I thank you. In the meantime, you guys take care. Be careful out there, and I will see you again with another video. I'm out.